If you've got a diesel in your van and you're not cleaning it, you're asking for problems. Right, first thing you want to do is take the casing off. Like that. Second thing, remove this bloody grommet thing. And then remove it from the outer casing. Like that. And then you want to remove this little motherboard here. So you start unscrewing that, get the motherboard off. Disconnect all the wires from it like this. Put that over there. Next thing you want to be doing is removing all these screws. There should be 4 of them, 4 bolts on there. After the bolts are removed, you take this off. There'll be a little gasket on there. You remove that, and then you've got to take these 4 bolts out here and then take this glow plug out as well. And do them like that. Do this little rubber grommet thing from there, like that, so you can get access to the 12mm bolt, which is in there. Get yourself a nice little 12mm spanner and start undoing the glow plug like so. Once that bolt is released, the glow plug should come out nice and easy like that. Give that a little wipe with a bit of sandpaper and a bit of brake fluid, cleaning solution stuff. Clean that. Once your 4 bolts are removed from there, take it out of there. Give that a good old clean with a bit of cleaner and a bit sandpaper, get all the carbon off. And also in there, remove that. Clean all inside there, tap it out. If it's all had a bloody nice good clean, you put it all back together in reverse order. You put the gasket back in, line it up nice and lovely. Put that back in, making sure that the fuel line's all in line, like that. Bolt back in. Once your bolts are all back in, all nice and tight, you get your glow plug, stick that back in the hole, and then you get your 12mm spanner and do it up. And once your glow plug's in nice and tight, put that grommet back in, shove it in, make sure it's nice and tight. Next is the old gasket. Don't forget to put your gasket back on like I have done before in the past. So make sure that's all lined up nice and neatly. Then you get your fan bit, whatever you call it, put that back on, line up the holes. Then it's down to these little bolts again. Put the old 4 bolts back in, screw them up nice and tight, and you crank these up nice and tight. There's 1, there's 2, nice and tight, nice and spinny. What you want to be doing is connecting the motherboard back up. So you've got 3 wires to put on here. That one goes on to there, you can see, like that one. Temperature sensor goes on there, like that. And then the fan one goes on there. What you want to do is click it into place, put that bolt back in and do him up. That's all done and it's all in place. It's nice like that, spins nicely. You put it back in the case. Job done almost. So you get the case, make sure you put it in the right way, like that. Flip him over and you put the rubber back on, and then that's it, you're ready for the top case to go back on. That can go on like that, like that. And then we got this on here, and it's job done. So let me know in the comments how well I done. Like and subscribe please. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.